The ringing of temple bells, libations and offerings. Hordes of devotees thronging the enclosures of one of the most sacred Hindu temples in the world, Pashupati, dedicated to Lord Shiva. This is a culture steeped in ancient traditions flowing down the centuries through Nepal, just as the river Bagmati passing through the Kathmandu valley. Its cremation pyres are the final resting place for kings and commoners alike. Today, Nepal shares this cultural heritage with the rest of the world. Kathmandu Valley, with its unique blend of Hindu and Buddhist culture, cradles 7 monument zones inscribed in the list of World Heritage Sites. The spirit of this heritage today, looking down from Swambhunath, sees a changing Kathmandu, a modern city sprawling across, congesting, flogging into the areas where these sites rest. Besides the 4 temple complexes, the monument zones are centered on the 3 royal palace complexes in Kathmandu, Bhaktapur and Patan. The pressure of redeveloping the city centers is swallowing the historical settings of these areas. A point has come where the valley has got listed on the danger list.
काठमाडौँ उपत्यका सिंगल वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट हो र त्यहाँ चाहिँ कन्सिस्टिङ 7 मोनुमेन्ट जोनहरू छन् र ती 7 मोनुमेन्ट जोन मध्येको एउटा महत्त्वपूर्ण मोनुमेन्ट जोन हो पाटन दरबार क्षेत्र। अर्थात् समग्रमा मैले भन्न खोजेको पाटन दरबार स्वयं एउटा विश्व सम्पदा स्थल हो र यो विश्व सम्पदा स्थलमा 2 प्रकृतिका स्मारकहरू यहाँ रहेका छन्। एउटा चाहिँ सार्वजनिक स्मारकहरू जुन दरबारमा अहिले हामी बसिरहेका छौँ एउटा सार्वजनिक स्मारक हो, मध्यकालीन दरबार वास्तुकलाको महत्त्वपूर्ण विशेषता हो। त्यसै गरी दरबारको प्राङ्गणमा महत्त्वपूर्ण मन्दिरहरू रहेका छन्, कृष्ण मन्दिर, भीमसेन मन्दिर आदि भने। त्यसै गरी दरबारका अरू महत्त्वपूर्ण चोकहरू, मूल चोक, सुन्दरी चोक आदि महत्त्वपूर्ण कलाकृतिहरू, वास्तुकलाका बेजोड नमुनाहरू सार्वजनिक स्मारक हुन् भने त्यसै गरी यी सार्वजनिक स्मारकहरूको वरिपरि अरू निजी स्वामित्वका भर्नाकुलर आर्किटेक्चरल पोइन्ट अफ भ्यूबाट महत्त्वपूर्ण वास्तुकलाका नमुनाहरू पनि रहेका छन्।
Patan is often referred to as the most ancient of the 3 cities of Kathmandu Valley. The Patan Darbar Square is located at the very center of Patan city, at the crossing of 2 ancient routes that link the 4 Ashoka stupas surrounding the old town. Settlements must have existed around the Patan area during the Kirat period as far back as 7th century BC. However, inscriptions verify the existence of settlements during the Licchavi period around 7th century AD, which was a center of Buddhist activity. Arts thrived, and many monasteries became cultural centers. Little is known after that until 1382, Sthiti Malla became the king of the whole valley. In 1597, King Shiva Singh Malla of Kathmandu conquered Lalitpur. During the 17th century, Lalitpur reached its height of wealth and power. After Prithvi Narayan Shah conquered the valley, Lalitpur fell into neglect, a reason why its authenticity got preserved better. With the blending of Buddhism and Hinduism in Patan from 9th century onwards, the Nepalese architecture developed a combination of styles. The palace complex must have got established as early as the 12th century. The oldest existing part of the palace, Sundari Chowk, was built by Siddhi Narsingh Malla in 1627. It is closed to public and needs extensive conservation work. Adjacent to the Sundari Chowk lies the Mool Chowk. Behind it, to the east of Darbar exists the now degraded Bandarkhal Garden. The space is left unused. The monuments need restoration. Many stone-carved water spouts lie unrestored. The northernmost courtyard of the palace is the Keshav Narayan Chowk. It now houses the Patan Museum. It is an outstanding example of Malla period craftsmanship in wood and brick.
पाटन दरबारको केशवनारायण चोक हो र यो मल्लकालीन दरबार वास्तुकलाको एउटा विशिष्ट उदाहरण हो र यो चाहिँ सन् 1734 मा यसको सम्भवतः जीर्णोद्धार पुनर्निर्माण भएको प्रमाणहरू प्राप्त भएका छन् तर योभन्दा अगाडिदेखि नै यसको ऐतिहासिक भनौँ यसको इतिहास त्योभन्दा अगाडिदेखि नै पुग्छ र यो एरियामा लिच्छवीकालसम्मका अवशेषहरू प्राप्त भएको कारणले गर्दा पनि यो दरबार स्वयंको इतिहास धेरै अगाडि जान्छ त यो दरबार के अरे को अघि मैले भने चाहिँ पाटन दरबारको के अरे केशवनारायण चोक हो यो र यो केशवनारायण चोक कालान्तरमा जीर्ण हुँदै गएको थियो तसर्थ यो 1985-86 देखि अस्ट्रियन सरकार श्री पाँचौं सरकार र अस्ट्रियन सरकारको संयुक्त सहयोगमा यो दरबारको जीर्णोद्धार संरक्षण गरियो र त्यसपछि यो पहिलेको मल्ल राजाहरूको रेसिडेन्शियल प्यालेसलाई एउटा म्युजियममा कन्भर्ट गर्ने नीति अवलम्बन गरियो र त्यसै अनुरूप यो म्युजियमको स्थापना सन् 1997 मा यो म्युजियम विधिवत रूपमा खुलेको हो यहाँ प्रदर्शित वस्तुहरू मूलतः यहाँ नेपालका काठमाडौँ उपत्यकामा प्राप्त धेरैजसो धातुका कलाकृतिहरू यसमा प्रदर्शित छन् समग्रमा भन्नुपर्दा 7औं 8औं शताब्दीदेखि आधुनिक कालसम्मका कलाकृतिहरू यो संग्रहालयमा प्रदर्शित छन्
Between Keshav Narayan Chowk and Mool Chowk is located the Degu Tale temple built in 1661 and now getting renovated. Mangal Bazar to the south is lined with shops converted from sthals. Sthals are historical community building made of traditional brickwork and sal timber. The oldest existing Buddhist monastery in Patan is the Kwabaha or the Golden Temple, probably established by King Bhaskara Deva in 11th century AD. It has the largest initiated membership of any Newar Buddhist monastery and is a repository of a special copy of Holy Mahayana Buddhist text. It reflects the unique combination of Buddhist religion with Hindu deities. These monasteries are also a reflection of the attitude of the Malla kings who strengthened Hindu religion but supported Buddhism as well. To the east of Kwa Baha and north of Darbar Square is located Radhakrishna Temple built in 1668. It was renovated in 1991 by Kathmandu Valley Preservation Trust. The temples and public monuments are the primary features of the World Heritage Site. Yet privately owned buildings are the context to the monument's setting. These houses are rapidly deteriorating, getting lost or rebuilt in modern